Aging tends to have a negative connotation, but it is a privilege, and it's inevitable for humans to change with time. As we age, we see noticeable changes in our bodies, and it is essential to take care of ourselves to stay healthy. Our skin, being the largest organ of the body, is also prone to aging. Most people are relatively diligent about taking care of the skin on their faces with skincare products and treatments to combat signs of aging such as fine lines, wrinkles, and hyperpigmentation. However, we tend to forget the area right under our face, our neck. Necklines or neck wrinkles are a result of aging or daily habits that develop over time, just like with wrinkles on your forehead and around your eyes and mouth. As we age, our skin loses collagen and elasticity, and environmental factors such as UV rays and free radicals can influence the number of necklines you get. The skin on our necks is thinner than the skin on our faces and is prone to looking older. Therefore, it is crucial to give the same love to our necks that we do to our faces and accept that developing necklines with time is totally normal. We cannot stop aging. There may still be a secret tip to having a less creepy neck, though, but we can take care of our necklines to delay or reduce their appearance. What causes necklines? Genetics, skincare routines, and lifestyle habits can influence the number of necklines we have. On this, Dr. Joshua Zeichner, a board-certified dermatologist and the director of cosmetic and clinical research of dermatology at Mount Sinai Hospital in New York City, told in style. Weakening of the skin foundation, along with constriction of muscles under the skin, lead to skin folding and wrinkles that over time will stick around even at rest. Zeichner added that factors such as sun damage, smoking, and skin tone can influence the severity of necklines. When the skin on your neck has less collagen and elastin, for example, it is more likely to develop deeper lines or be harder for the skin to bounce back from repeated folding. The way you look at your phone or screen can also give you horizontal lines on your neck, which is called tech neck. You may not notice while doing it, but looking down at your phone or laptop makes you fold the muscles on your neck, which become more fixed and deeper over time. This has resulted in younger people developing necklines earlier in life. How to prevent and treat necklines? Since the skin on your neck is thinner, it is easier to develop necklines in the area, but it is possible to try to prevent those lines and take care of them from developing into deep wrinkles. For one, treat the skin on your neck with the same love that you treat the skin on your face. Dr. Joshua Zeichner recommends using sunscreen on the area every day to protect it from the sun's UV rays and environmental damage. Invest in a retinol cream for your neck since it is one of the best anti-aging ingredients. Make sure to moisturize the area daily because fine lines are less visible on hydrated skin, and they are less likely to develop fine lines as easily as on dry skin. Smoking is one of the main causes of premature aging that can lead to necklines. Plus, smoking is not good for your overall health, either. Be mindful of how you hold your phone and look at its screen. It is recommended that improve your posture and keep the screen at eye level, where you aren't repeatedly folding the skin on your neck because it can help prevent premature necklines. If you are open to trying some in-office treatments, you can also consult your dermatologist to try microneedling, radiofrequency, or Botox to stimulate collagen production and tighten the skin on your neck. Best products for your neck. It's possible to delay the onset of necklines by taking care of the skin on your neck, quitting smoking, and changing your posture to prevent tech neck. In addition, you can add some specific skincare products into your routine to give your neck a little extra TLC. For sunscreen, InStyle recommends Elta MD's UV Daily Tinted Broad Spectrum SPF 40 because it protects you from the sun's UV rays that cause premature aging, has niacinamide for brightening, and won't look chalky. For a moisturizer with sunscreen, the outlet recommends RoX Multi-Correction 5-in-1 Anti-Aging Chest, Neck, and Face Cream because it can increase collagen production. The founder and medical director of Skin Wellness Dermatology, Dr. Corey L. Hartman's pick for a neck cream is SkinCeuticals Tripeptide or Neck Repair because it has retinol to stimulate collagen production at a percentage that is easily tolerated by the thin skin on your neck. Meanwhile, Elle is a fan of STRI Bectin Advanced Lightweight Neck Cream because it is a triple threat that can help minimize wrinkles, give you firmer skin, and offer an overall smoother feel. Elle even calls it the holy grail of neck creams.